functions. Functions are relations that have x's with only one y, or inputs that have only one output. So a relation is simply a set of ordered pairs, And each x, which we call our input number, has only one y, which is called our output number. So our example here for the first one is a function. If I go ahead and add 11 comma -1, that makes this relation a function because I do not have any x's that are repeating, or I don't have any x's that have more than one y or more than one output. All right, let's take a look at this one. This one is not going to be a function. So first of all, let's go ahead and finish our relation. So the relation is going to be finished by adding the ordered pair 5, 6. Now, you'll notice here that I have -1, 7, and I have -1, 2. I have two x's that are identical, but their y's are not identical. So I have two different outputs. This makes this not a function. All right, let's take a look at number 1. If it's not a function, then you're going to have to tell me the ordered pairs that make it not a function. So I'm going to take a look at this one. I have a 5, a 3, a 2, a 0, a -1. None of the x's repeat, so yes, this is a function. -2, 0, 2, 3, 2, 4. So no, this is not a function because I have two ordered pairs that have 2 for the x value, and they both have a different y. Okay, let's look at number 3. I have -4, -3, -2, 1, -3. So again, I have two x's that are identical. So no, this is not a function because of -3, -1, and -3, 2. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of the x's are different, so yes, this is a function. Now, I can also give you a table and ask you if it is a function. So when I give you a table, what you're doing is you're going to look just at the x's. Do I have any x's that repeat? You'll notice here that I do. I have a 3, 5, and I have a 3, 3. So this would be no, and I would write 3, 5, 3, 3. Next one, do I have any x's that repeat? I do not, so this is a function. Next one, any x's that repeat? I do not, this is a function. Next one, any x's that repeat? And of course on this one, we do have x's that repeat. We have a 4, -3, and we have a 4, 2. So this would be a no, 4, -3, and 4, 2 are the ordered pairs that make it not a function. Next one, number 9. Do I have any x values that repeat or match? I do not, so yes, it is a function. Number 10. Any x values that repeat? I do not. Yes, it is a function. Now, for 11, 12, 13, I'm mapping. When I map, all I'm doing is looking for any x that has 2 arrows. So none of the x's here have 2 arrows, so yes, it is a function. Here, I do have 2 arrows. So this -1 makes this not a function because of -1, -1, and -1, 7. And then here, no double arrows, so yes, it is a function. And now you know how to determine if a relation is a function.